Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a beginner friendly newborn size baby cardigan. For this project, I am using a 4mm crochet hook size and 4-ply baby soft yarn. First of all, make a slip knot. Then with the help of crochet hook, start base chain. Make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, chain 7, chain 8, 9 and then 10. In this way we would make total of 59 chains, and 3 chains would be counted as double crochet stitch, so it means a base chain of 60. Make 3 chains here because I have made 56 chains. Now these 3 chains would be counted as a double crochet. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the 4th chain from the hook and draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through 2 loops first and then pull the yarn through other 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. Go into the next chain, make a double crochet stitch into it, then go into the next chain, make a double crochet stitch into it, then go into the next chain, make double crochet 5 including first 3 chains, then make double crochet 6 into the next chain, then double crochet 7, now in the next chain we would make a double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet because this chain is our corner stitch chain. Now from the next chain we would start making double crochet stitches, and in the next 14 chains after this corner stitch we would make 14 double crochet stitches. So complete these 14 double crochet stitches, and after making 14 double crochets in the 15th chain we would make a corner stitch again by making double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet in the same chain. Now from the next chain again we would start making simple regular double crochet stitches, and we would complete 14 double crochet stitches again for the next side. And after completing 14 double crochet stitches into the 15th chain, make double crochet 1, chain 1 and double crochet 1 in the same chain to make a corner stitch, and again start making regular double crochet stitches in the next 14 chains. Again make last corner stitch by making double crochet, chain 1 and a double crochet in the same chain, and then start making double crochet stitches from the very next chain. Make double crochet in each of them, and we have 7 double crochet stitches here for this side because we have made 7 in the starting. So on this side we have total of 14 double crochet stitches as of other sides. Now our first row is completed and we would start our second row. Start the second row with 3 chains, which will be counted as a double crochet in every row. Skip the very first double crochet stitch here and into the second double crochet stitch we would make a double crochet. Then we would make a double crochet into the next stitch, then into the next stitch, and in each of these regular double crochet stitches which we would make double crochets till the chain 1 space of our corner. And this is our last double crochet stitch here before chain 1. Make a double crochet in it, and now in this corner chain 1 space we would make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1, double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2. So this is our corner, first corner. Now into the very next double crochet stitch we would start making double crochets, and we would complete these double crochet stitches till the next chain 1 space of corner. Now here is our next chain 1 space. Make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, chain 1, double crochet 1, and then double crochet 2, and then we would start start making double crochets in next stitches. In chain 1 space we would make 2 double crochet, chain 1 and 2 double crochet, and we would complete this round till the end. So in this end we would make a double crochet in this chain 3 space right here, chain 3, which is the turning chain. Make 3 chains and start the next row. Turn up the work, skip very first stitch, go into the second one and make a double crochet as we have made for the second row. Repeat this process, and for the corner chain 1 space we would repeat the same method of second row, making 2 double crochets, chain 1 and 2 double crochet stitches. So repeat the same pattern for corners and make double crochets in regular double crochet stitches. Make required number of rounds. I have made 6 rounds. Now make 3 chains and we would join by leaving armholes in this round. So make double crochet in the second double crochet stitch, and in this way we would start making double crochets in these double crochet stitches till the first chain 1 space of our corner right here. And here in this corner we would join these 2 sides together by leaving this armhole. So go into the both chain 1 spaces of these sides and make a double crochet like this. Now these sides are joined and we would start making double crochets into each of these double crochet stitches of the next side, and our first armhole is made. So complete these double crochet stitches now till the end of next corner right here, and in this next corner again go through both chain 1 spaces of these sides and make a double crochet to join these sides together and make the second armhole. And then we would start making double crochet stitches in each of these next double crochet stitches. So this round is completed. Make 3 chains and make double crochet stitches in each of these double crochet stitches of the next previous row, and in this way we would just make rows till the end where our required length is completed. So I have completed required length. Now we would join another yarn, this chocolate color yarn, to make single crochet border all around. So join this yarn and we would start making single crochet stitches. So make chain 1 and on the side of this last double crochet stitch of row make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 like this. Then here is our chain 3. From the side of this chain 3 make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2. Then here is double crochet stitch, make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2 into it. Inside chain 3 or double crochet stitch of each row we would make 2 single crochet stitches. Now cut this starting yarn and complete this single crochet stitch till this corner, and in this corner make single crochet 1 and then single crochet 2. Then make single crochet 1 in the chain 1, single crochet 2 in this base chain where we have made our first row. In each of the chain make single crochet stitches. Weave this starting yarn end inside these stitches as well, so that we don't have to weave this yarn end separately. Now cut this extra yarn strand and now we would skip this chain which is our corner chain and we would make a single crochet into the next chain like this. So start making single crochet stitches now in each of these next chains, and we would skip every corner stitch here. Now skip this corner stitch and make a single crochet into the next stitch, then into the next one, again skip these 2 corner stitches as well, and then we would make a buttonhole on this side. So first of all, in this first chain of chain 3, make 2 single crochet stitches because this is our corner chain. And now make a single crochet on the side of chain 3, then make second single crochet stitch on the side of this chain 3. Now we would make buttonhole, make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, and then chain 6. Make a single crochet on the side of next double crochet stitch. Now we would check the size of button. This is a little bit loose, so reduce one chain. I have made 5 chains now for the hole. Make 2 single crochet stitches next, and now check the button hole size for this button. Now it is perfect. So now make single crochet stitches on the side of these double crochet stitches of every row till the end and complete it at this corner. Make single crochets around armholes as well. So I have completed single crochet stitches and I have joined button with the help of needle as well. You can make sleeves with the same cardigan with the same process of making simple double crochet stitches. So this is very beginner friendly and easy to make cardigan tutorial which can be used for baby boys and baby girls as well. Its length is almost 12 inches. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching.